Namaskar. Pranayama must be learned through the Guru only. Bhastrika Pranayama is best to practice in the camp and understand the full extent and then watch this video. More scientific information and the explanation can be found in the free scientific pranayama camps and in the scientific pranayama book too. To contact, text to the WhatsApp number 944-940-6844. Before watching this Bhastrika Pranayama video, it is good to know about a little bit. Bhastrika Pranayama is called the bellows breath and the yogic breath of fire. It is mainly used to energize the body and concentrate the mind. The Bhastrika Pranayama is a balancing technique which helps to maintain the balance of the three doshas, Vata, Pitta, Kapha. Things to keep in mind. In the Bhastrika Pranayama, the force is given to the throat only. You need to make sure that the breath is coming from the throat itself. During the practice of Bhastrika Pranayama, a slight snoring sound emanates. In Bhastrika Pranayama, inhalation and exhalation should be in equal proportions and in equal force. Those who have not been in surgery for 1 year, who are taking medication for cardiovascular diseases or heart diseases, who have high blood pressure should perform Bhastrika Pranayama as slow as possible. Those who have not been in surgery for 6 months, pregnant women, uncontrolled hypertension or BP, epilepsy, panic disorder person should not be practiced Bhastrika Pranayama. How to perform Bhastrika Pranayama? Let us see. In Sukhasana position, the lower back, neck and head should be straight. Seated on the floor, on the mat or on the chair. Shoulders should be in a relaxed position. During inhalation, the abdominal muscles lift upward, inhaling as much air as possible through the nose for about 3 seconds and filling the lungs. Then the chest will bulge. In exhalation, slowly lower the chest area and exhale as much air as possible through the nose for 3 seconds. Do this for 5 to 10 minutes. Thank you.